Hi, I'm Natalie, a Demonstrator Development Manager here at Stampin' Up! Christmas is coming and soon we're going to start counting down the days until the 25th of December. You can make your countdown even more fun and creative with our Christmas Countdown Project Kit. I love Advent calendars, and this one is so much fun. I plan to gather friends one afternoon and we'll create our Christmas Countdown kits together. We'll have Christmas cookies and talk about all the fun things we'll put in our Advent calendars. This kit comes with the outer box, 25 mini boxes, all of these die-cut accents, and we provide numbers 1 through 25. But if you prefer to end at 24, we've provided stars to replace 25 or any other numbers you want. You will also need an Mossy Meadow, Early Espresso, and Cherry Cobbler Stampin' Pad, the adhesives of your choice. I have Stampin' Dimensionals and our snail, and then the Christmas Countdown stamp set. This stamp set is great because it can be used on cards or other projects too. This kit comes with instructions and shows you how to make multiple designs which you can duplicate, but you can mix and match the images and stickers and colors any way that you want. Before you start assembling, we suggest that you lay out all of the pieces from the mini boxes in the final order that you want them. This way you can make sure the final look of each mini box and the final look of the entire project is what you want. So I stamped the design in Cherry Cobbler on this image. I'm going to adhere one of the stickers. And then my number with a Stampin' Dimensional. You're going to want to stamp all your pieces and put them together before you adhere them to the front of your mini box. But once you're ready to do that, I'm going to use my snail. Just like that. Here's the final project. I love the size of these mini boxes because you can fit so much in them. You can put treats, but you can also do other things. I plan to put a cookie cutter in there with a note that says, let's make cookies for a neighbor, or maybe another one that says, let's have a picnic under the Christmas tree. There are so many fun possibilities with how you can use this Advent calendar. So get ready for the holidays by gathering your friends and your demonstrator to make this kit. For this and other Stampin' Up! Products, contact your demonstrator or go to StampinUp.com to find a demonstrator in your area. Have fun making your Christmas Countdown Project Kit.